bird will leave you most baffled and amazed, even us trainers. Now, before I call in our great mathematician, I'll be asking you guys two numbers between 1 to 20. Any random numbers between 1 to 20? 10. Please, our first number is 10. How about our next number? 15. Okay. So our equation here is 10 plus 15. Now we all know the answer, right? But before I call in our great mathematician, I'll be shuffling these numbers first. So quiet guys, okay? Let's see if our great mathematician can really solve this equation. For us. And Snow picks the first number 2. Is the first number correct? Alright, Snow, complete your answer please up to the second number. Again, Snow, 10 plus 15. And there you go, 10 plus 15 is equals to 25. A round of applause for great mathematician Snow. Birds are called raptors, or birds of prey. When we say raptors, it means to seize or to take by force. Now there are 446 different types of raptors, but here in Cebu Ocean Park we have our white-bellied seagull named Aggie and our brown kind named Kingdom. So just a friendly reminder, may I request everybody to please settle down. And if the bird will fly over you, please do not try to reach or grab the bird. Again, please settle down, especially the kids, and avoid reaching or touching our